Let me tell you something about starting a low cost broker. You might think I'm about to share a big secret, but the truth is, there's no such thing as a cheap broker. You will always have cost, and the key is to spend your money wisely so you can become profitable. Here are three simple things you should focus on. The last one is the most important. First, don't spend too much at the beginning. Avoid very expensive software and top tier licenses right away. Save your money, you need it for important things like processing and withdrawals. Second, don't hire people because they promise big deposits. Many account managers say they can bring a lot of money, but not all of them deliver. Take your time, hire people with real sales skills, and test them during a probation period. Third, focus on content and your brand. How you present your company online really matters. Good content builds trust. The faster you understand this, the faster your broker can grow and make profit. If you need help, I can share a free download and guide you on how to start. Send me a WhatsApp message and let's talk.